Now, time for an experiment. I'm going to show you what happens when water reacts with magnesium and silver nitrate. So I'd ask the panel to put their safety goggles on, please. Now I have to charge this. Are you ready?
You didn't do that.
I did. Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah. That didn't come from that.
Yeah. So that is what happens when water reacts with magnesium and silver nitrate. Can anybody tell me when a reaction like that happens in the body?
When you've eaten a lot of very spicy food and you have gas.
It's a really specific moment like that, but on a much, much smaller scale.
Sneezing, ejaculation.
Well, you're close.
Conception.
It is the moment when the sperm and the egg meet for the very first time. Sparks literally fly. So when a sperm enzyme activates a human egg, there is an explosion of zinc.
So did you just fire semen at that? Is that what...
So is it like a firework display?
Yes.
Different ones? No.
Yes, but
Well, like
tiny,
different...
darling. It's not as big as that.
I realise that.
It's just like a display, and it goes on for 2 hours, because you have to understand, we've got 8,000 zinc compartments. OK, we're going to have another go, but I'm going to let you all have a go.
I'm a 50-year-old man. That's a bit far away.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready.
Ready? Pull it out now, as it were.
What do we do?
3, 2, 1, fire! Come on, boys! Oh, for goodness sake.
How was it for you?
I could go on for 2 hours, Sandy.
Did that one not go off?
No.
So, it's time for a jolly jape, this time involving lasers and balloons. What could be coming next? Here we are, and I've got my laser. This is one of these things they use. You know, I'm going to point it behind me, and we're using the smoke because it shows up the laser line. Can you see it there?
Yeah.
I'm deliberately, obviously... You keep shouting in my ear. Don't point it at people's eyes. I'm not.
Don't point it at their fucking eyes! Fucking dangerous!
The thing is, he knows he's the one who's going to be fired. There you are. You can see reasonably well that there is a laser
The
light
lighting
there.
man, I go...
Right. This is an ordinary laser light, the kind you'd use to, you know, conferences to point on maps and all the rest of it. And I'm just going to press the laser here and... Oh!
Whoa.
And... Oh!
Whoa.
And... Oh!
Whoa.
And...
Green! Wow, cool.
Nothing. It's not popping, though.
weird.
So, the black ones pop and the white one doesn't. Alan,
Racist.
you should have a... Begin to make sense. Just... I want you... Take your black marker, please, and can you make a black target roughly in the centre of the balloon? And I'm going to let you press the button as a reward if you do it sensibly. So...
Temptation to draw a cock and ball.
I know. Big black spot, so it'll work. So it'll just there. And fill it in as black as you can.
Talk amongst yourselves.
That's right. You could, if you'd worked for Blue Peter, you'd know how to do that while presenting to camera.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, there you see, exactly.
I haven't done a cock and balls, and I know you're disappointed.
They're not.
It's the back of Stephen Fry's head.
Yeah, that's it. It is actually not unlike. OK.
Will that do it, do you
I
think?
reckon that's black enough.
Black enough?
We know that black absorbs light and heat, and white, we know, reflects it. And we saw that the laser had enough energy to burst the black balloon. So all you have to do, just leave it in. It should be pointing in the right direction. Oh! Well done.
Victory.
Victory.
So what was Darth Vader thinking?
You see, the dark side will always lose. Anyway, now we have a knick-knack exploding custard powder experiment. For something to explode, you need certain things. You need something to light, in this case, custard powder. You need something to light it with, and you need oxygen. But you need a little bit more than that, because if I try and light this custard powder, you will see that nothing happens.
The trick custard powder!
It doesn't. The whole point is nothing happens.
Nothing would happen with that. It's
Because
custard,
I bet
you fool.
Heston could make it burn.
he couldn't in this state.
No?
What you need in order to get something like custard or any powder, even metallic powder, to burn and really burn, is one of these ordinary, everyday objects like this. As you may see, I have a funnel, and I have some safety glasses to save my beautiful eyelashes. And I have a lighter. And
I miss Jacques Cousteau.
and I have a pump. I have a pump. I have a pump that rather wants to fall over. So we'll just raise this here. So it doesn't fall over. OK, now, what I'm going to do...
I don't want to know what you're going to do.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the custard powder in this funnel, and I'm going to present a flame across it. Oh. Yes. Yes. Be afraid, be very afraid.
Could I use Alan as a human shield?
You're the shield!
Oh, my God.
There's flame. There's custard powder in there.
I feel the need! The need for speed!
All I need to do...
Where are you going? Where the fuck am I?
I'm going to the pump. I'm just going to the pump, because I'm going to pump...
We are now nearer than you.
Can you see what I'm going to do? I'm pumping air...
There's just too many double entendres. You pumping custard.
Stop it. Are you ready for me to pump the custard?
Oh, my God.
Oh, God.
Yes, I'm ready for you to pump your custard.
You need a countdown from the audience.
This is not how I wanted to go.
Audience, I want you to count me down from 3... 2... 1... Wasn't that dangerous?
It's quite warm there, actually. If I'd been sitting there, I could have been ignited. I could have been ignited.
You could have been covered in hot custard. OK, it's time for a little experiment. Here's some potassium iodide. It's a catalyst. Ooh. Yes. My experiment also involves me having, for health and safety reasons, to wear these.
Wow. Cowabunga, dude. You look awesome.
Tell us, Almighty King.
Ooh, stop it, no.
I can tell from that sample you've had asparagus.
Well, what that is H2O2. Does anyone know what H2O2 is?
Water,
Yes.
water. Yes.
Water.
Double water.
It's H2O. It's water with an extra oxygen molecule, but it has a different name. They're a good audience. Hydrogen peroxide. Well, that's partly because 3/4 of the women have got blonde hair.
Yeah.
But it's quite unstable, and it's always trying to lose its extra molecule and turn to water and to oxygen gas. And we've mixed it here with some ordinary detergent, some washing up liquid. So, could you go and stand next to Bill? Because it's not really violent, but it's kind of...
What,
Let's just say...
Hang on, hold on. When am I have a human shield?
It's
or
all right.
something?
You won't. You can be this side of him. It's not that violent.
Stephen, you don't seem much concerned with my safety.
You can stand next to Jeremy. That's a good point. It's that much nearer, Alan. It's really that... You'll see it's not going to be that violent.
dangerous.
It isn't
Yeah.
dangerous.
It
It isn't dangerous.
Just hold me.
It's basically... Don't sit on my knee.
Don't stop.
Here we
I
go.
like
Are you
this.
ready? Do you want to count me down, audience? Count me down from 3. 3...
Well, what comes next?
1... Quite a money
Stephen, are you suggesting if I get some of that potassium...
That will really make you perform in bed? No. Well, that's
amazing.
Magnificent.
Oh, yeah, that's it, baby.
He's going, yeah.
There's a lot of horrible yellow at the edges, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it does get like that.
Yeah.